Hey there, welcome to the Did You Know segment of my expert eBay tips for successful selling. In this segment, I'll share valuable tips and tricks that you may not know about to help you sell successfully on eBay. Today's tip is all about using a simple yet powerful tool to refine your eBay searches, the hyphen or minus sign. Did you know when you're searching for something on eBay, you can use a hyphen or minus sign to exclude certain words from the search results? For example, let's say you're searching for a black dress, but you don't want any short black dresses in your results. You can type black dress hyphen short into the search bar. The hyphen before short tells eBay to exclude any search results that include the word short. This way you'll only see black dresses that aren't short in your search results. However, you do need to be specific with your hyphenated and unhyphenated search terms to get the results you want. Using the previous example, if you just type black dress hyphen short, you may still get some unwanted results, such as a white dress with a black bow, a black dress with pink flowers, or a pair of black dress socks. In that case, you may need to be more specific and use other words and multiple hyphenated search terms, such as black dress, hyphen short, hyphen floral, hyphen white, hyphen pink, and hyphen socks, to exclude those unwanted results. Using the multiple hyphenated words in the search terms would also give you a more targeted search result of black dresses without any short versions, pink or white colors, or dress socks included. Experiment with different search terms and see what works best for you. Using the hyphen in search terms can be helpful to sellers when doing research to see what an item has sold for in the past. By using the hyphen to exclude certain keywords, you can quickly filter through search results and get a better sense of what your item is worth based on past sales data. This can be especially helpful when you're trying to determine a fair price for your item and want to ensure that you're pricing it competitively. Overall, using a hyphen or minus sign to exclude certain words from your search can help you filter out irrelevant search results and focus on the specific information you're looking for, making it easier to conduct accurate research and make informed decisions. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more eBay selling and couples working together tips. Leave a comment. Thanks for watching.